Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another video. If you are new, my name is Sarah and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a little review on some magnetic lashes that were sent to me. I had this company, Wakeup and Makeup, reach out to me and they wanted me to try their magnetic lashes. So that is what we are going to do today. I'm going to give you my real opinion to see how easy are they to use, are they worth it, are they comfortable, and so on and so on. I will give you exactly how it is. So if you're interested to see how that goes, keep on watching and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and make sure you to subscribe to join the tribe, as well as ring that bell so you never miss any of my post notifications. And let's get going. Okay, let's just get right into it. Here is the box that I got. Wakeup and Makeup is the company. It's kind of a cute little saying and logo. So we open up the box. This is what it's like. They've got their sticker here as well. Gotta pop it out. It's just in some tissue, so we're just gonna unwrap it. I honestly don't know a whole lot about the company. Again, they reached out to me. They said, hey, we would like to send you some lashes, and you know, and so you can make a video about them. And so I said, yeah, sure, let's do it. Send it to me, and I would love to see what they're like, because I mean, the idea of magnetic lashes is great. I just want them to be easy to do. It's got to be easier than like strip lashes that you glue on, because I already got that down and I can do that pretty quickly. So okay, so here we go. There's Hello Lash Lover. So they sent me the natural style lashes, and they are a $22.99 value. So that's what it would cost. So one case, 2 pairs. I don't know what that means. It has a nice like case, permanent case that you can throw them in. It says 1 case, 2 pairs on here, and I really don't, it's 1 pair in here. So I don't know how, you know, accurate that is. But okay, whatever, move on. Let's just like find out how good is the product. So we have 1 set of lashes. We have the top strip as well as all the bottom pieces that was sent, and it was also a little applicator included, which is really nice, as well as a set of instructions. So I will use those as a little guide as well. $23 is actually a pretty low price point, considering that there are many others out there that are a lot more. I think they're like maybe $80, $90. So super easy to pull out of the packaging. I like that. They're really easy to just like go in and get to. So that's really handy. I enjoyed that. I'm gonna just want to read the instructions and see how they suggest doing it. I wonder about, now the funny thing with magnetic lashes is with regular lashes, you cut them to fit the size of your eye. I wonder, let's see, oh, this is for, well, it says right eye. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit. Okay, good. Happy with that, because usually I have to snip off a little bit. Okay, so it says 1, remove the lashes, like hold it. 2, hold the top lash and then position it on the eye, leave it without blinking, and then place the bottom lash, except we have lash pieces. Okay, so on this card is basically 2 methods for applying the lashes. The front here with the pictures is if you're just using your fingers, and then the back is all the steps to take if you use the applicator. So there's 2 choices. I'm typically a fingers person anyways with strip lashes. Ew, come on. Okay, so do not, well, that's really hard not to blink, but I mean, I get why you shouldn't. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the middle one. Actually, these are so small, these are probably hard to do. So I'm gonna push, I don't think, okay, so you gotta do both at one time. Are we there? Oh, I think it's on. Ooh. That's a little hard because the bottom pieces are just so small that my big old hands don't do that very well. Okay, so bottom right. They're labeled really well. Oh. That's Okay, I didn't hold it in place very well. Let's see if I can do this. Can I separate? How do I get that off? Okay, let's start over. You know what? This is already better than the Ardells. I just didn't do it right just now. But they seem to be more comfortable, and that centerpiece that I had right there was really close to the lash line just now. I was super happy with that. I just didn't do a good job of holding the position of the top lash on the outside in place before putting on the bottom one. So I'm gonna do that again. We're gonna get it right. So it definitely was not fault of the product. It was more error use there. And these are just, I like tweezer style applicators more than these style. Now we're gonna go in again with that outside bottom piece. I'm just pushing the lash back toward my lid. Ooh, that's an idea. Holy smokes. Pushing it back in. That's hard to do. Okay, let's try for the other one. Whew. All right. I just dropped one of the small lash pieces onto my black rugged floor. So that took a little while to find. Okay, so let's get this puppy on. But I would say, man, like these definitely went on easily. Let's see, bottom left. Oops, get that in place. Push. All right, that's better. Try not to stab yourself in the eye. Yeah, I think I got that in place. Okay. So far though, they're super comfortable. Oh my gosh, you guys. I mean, I think it would definitely, they might look a little bit better if with a little bit more practice, but yeah, like this one I could just get to be a little bit better, but I am super happy with this eye too. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with these. And I tell you the truth, I was super skeptical. I was like, can any magnetic lashes even be any good? I will have to wear these to church tomorrow and ask people what they think. Be like, what do you think of my lashes? Like, would they even guess that they're magnetic ones or something, you know? That would be too funny. Okay, I don't need this plastic tray. That can go away. I think I'm tempted to actually buy these in another style myself. I can't believe how easy these were to apply. I'm so happy. I cannot believe it. These are really seamless, having 3 pieces that fill in, and it looks like from the instruction sheet they might have some styles where it's a solid lash line that goes underneath. I think that might be a little bit harder to apply than just the 3 separate pieces. I actually really like that they're separate pieces because then you can really position that top lash to where it should be or where you want it to be. So as far as the quality of the lash, wow, these are so comfortable, you guys. They're like a high quality strip lash is what they feel like. These are super long for me. My God, you guys, these are really cool. I'm really excited. What do you think? Like, let me give you like what it looks like. I need to fix this side. I can feel it. Yeah, I just, you know what, I'm gonna fix it real quick. And I'm not gonna do it right now, but because like this one is a solid, like it is on, it is exactly where I would want it to be. I would just go back in and probably add a little bit, either I need to position it a little bit differently, or I need to just add some more liner to the inside of my eye right there to just kind of like blend that lash line, because this does give it a thicker liner look. So you wanna make sure your liner is balanced all across the lash line. That's just how you would do it no matter what kind of lashes you're wearing. So yeah, so thank you so much, Makeup and Wake Up, for my lashes. I love them. I'm probably going to be picking out another set in the wispies because I really want those, especially now I really want them. I think it's super great that a lash applicator is included. The instructions are really great, but I honestly didn't even need them a whole lot. Yeah, I think I'll definitely get better with a little bit of practice with these. I think I'll try, yeah, definitely gonna try to wear them tomorrow and see what my friends think. And I will put that down in the description if there are any comments about them. So yeah, let me know what you think, you guys. I'm just like so surprised that I really like them. All right, you guys, that's it for today. That's gonna wrap it up. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe to join the tribe and ring that bell so you never miss any of my post notifications. Until next time, stay well, stay blessed. Have a great one, guys. Bye-bye. I just need to